A few months ago, one of Google's top executives posted on LinkedIn about her frustration on data management and how it was a very hard problem to solve. Poor data quality costs on average 150 billion euros a year in Europe because bad data is bad for business. Indeed, for 30% of online shoppers, poor product information is a deal breaker. Around 35% of marketing investment is lost on CRM data cleaning, while 20% of procurement spendings are wasted on duplicate products. How so? Well, because the sheer volume and diversity of errors forces IT teams to build complex data pipelines or leaves business people no choice but to clean the data manually. We cracked the problem. We developed a powerful AI that cleans millions of rows within minutes. We designed beautiful user interfaces so you can train the AI easily. And we wrapped it up into an API so any developer can install it anywhere. We did it with my two co-founders, who are two data and AI nerds. Pierre is an expert in machine learning model deployment, while Maximilien has a PhD in artificial intelligence. We are also backed by successful internet entrepreneurs who know the problem well and are used to working with SaaS startups. As a result, we have a great product that is loved by great customers. We currently make 250K of annual recurring revenue with them, saving 70% of their time and generating 30% of incremental revenue. In a few months, we'll release a self-service version of UNiFAi so you can use a powerful AI at home in order to leverage your data. So please, contact me, stop wasting your emotions, and start leveraging your data.